Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check your coolant level on this 2014 Honda Odyssey. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. The coolant reservoir is located right here. The cap is right here. You can loosen this up. To check the level, there's a max line, kind of hard to see, right here. Min line right there. You can give it a shake. See if you can see where it is. This fluid, this coolant is a little bit above the max line, which is okay. You can pull this cap off, put fluid in there, coolant in there, put the cap back on. You never want to add coolant to the radiator right here when the vehicle is hot. If the vehicle is hot, you're going to have to let it cool down. Then you can take this off. Just push down here, slowly, remove it. The only reason you would need to top off the fluid here is if you had a major leak to top off the coolant there, or if you replace some kind of coolant component like a water pump, head gaskets, or a heater core. Then to reinstall this, just push this down, twist it. There's going to be one position and then twist it again. So that's good. Normally, if you were to top off coolant, you would top it off right here. Just take this cap off, top off the coolant to the correct level, and then put the cap back on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.